loaded up here. And where are we? We're in DeKalb, Illinois. And this load is going to Nashville. So we're gonna, it actually goes to Antioch, which is like the outskirts of Nashville, South Nashville. So this load gets me home. Happy about that. Yeah, it's windy, it's cold. Let's get on the road. Welcome back to the channel, by the way. Thank y'all for clicking on this video, all that good stuff. Let's go home. All right. Get this thing in gear. We have, it said it's 20,000 pounds. It might be that heavy. I don't think it's that heavy, but we'll go with that. Oh man, we got 555 miles to go. It says our ETA is going to be 10:29 p.m. So 11 p.m. tonight. That's with 30-minute break, so we're looking more like 11:30, 12 o'clock. Get there at midnight roughly. Yeah, hopefully get this this load off of here quick enough so I can go home for the weekend. Should have went. Had plenty of time, but I didn't. Oh well. I think my other camera just died. It did. Oh, I need more than one charger. Can't charge my phone and all the cameras at once. All right. We gonna get on 88 here. Got a little bit of a toll, and then we are gonna be off on 57, 55. I'm gonna take 39. Yeah, 39 down. Yo. What, 74? And then to 57, then to 24, and then on into Nashville. Shouldn't be too bad of a ride. I'll have to get a little bit of fuel, not much. But I'm gonna call my wife, let her know I'm rolling, and see you guys down the road.
I knew a man named Martin, stood up for what he believed. Shot him down into the ground, but the ground it did not bleed. I knew a man named John, stood up for what he believed. 3 shots ring out in Dallas and brought the country to its knees. I knew a man named Lincoln, I didn't know him well. Say he was a good man, shot down just as well. Where have all of our heroes gone? Where are they today? Who's gonna be the next hero that somebody takes away? Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. There's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. I knew a man named Jesus, they say he done no wrong. Must have been a mighty good man, 'cause they hung him on a cross. I knew a man named Robert, up and out of the blue. He was taken away from us, well there was nothing we could do. Where have all of our heroes gone? Where are they today? Who's gonna be the next hero that somebody takes away? Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. There's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. I knew a man named Jimmy, 101st Infantry. He was killed when a bomb went off, protecting you and me. I knew a man named Thompson, NYPD. He died in an elevator shaft on floor 33. Where have all of our heroes gone? Where are they today? Who's gonna be the next hero that somebody takes away? Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. It's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. Heroes, they're all around us. Men and women unafraid to stand up for what they believe. Who have the courage to give their all for others. To help when no one else can. Who have and are willing to give their lives for this great nation. God bless our country's heroes.
All right, guys, we are 1.5 miles out. They told me there's parking on site, so I'm not even going to mess with this TA or this Speedway, Thornton's, whatever this is here. I actually got to go down here where I got my tires replaced at. Last year sometime. It's been a while now. Where they took 3-4 days for a set of tires because they kept putting the wrong tires on and told me they'd get them in the morning and wouldn't get them, and that was a fun experience. The Schneider Fleet Services, something like that. It's up here on the right. But that video is a little old. It's like 3 days for 3 tires, or 4 days for 3 tires, something like that. It's the title. So if you're interested in seeing all that, that's when Rush Truck tried to get me to get new kingpins and pretty much a whole new front end, and I didn't even need it. So pretty wild. And somebody's tour bus. I wonder who that was. Man, that just seems dangerous as hell. Got 0.4 miles. We're going to turn right onto Logistics Way. Go back here by Amazon and, like I said, this Snyder tire place. Try to stop when flashing. Jeez. Oh, so they put a light in here. I guess there's always been a light, but I never noticed it. These roads are rough, ain't it? Oh, focus. 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 There you go. Good girl. Oh, 0.2 miles. Amazon, that's 38.18. I'm going to get past. This might be where I need to turn here. Amazon, no, I'm not going to Amazon. Does this just end right here? Oh, let's see here. Is this where I need to go? It's bargain hunt. I don't know. Let me figure out where I need to be, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so according to Google Maps, this would be the location. See if I can't find a business name or something. See if I recognize any of the trucks that were at the shipper earlier. I'm going to go over here and park next to this red Cascadia here, if I can. There's room, yeah. Do a little loop-de-doo. Oh yeah, there's another truck right there, so I have no idea where I need to be as far as, I wonder if this next building is it. We'll see if I can drive down, see what I find. That's Cortez. That's what that sign said. Solo Tech. This is... Alright, so this is where I need to be. Because that's the name of the place I'm delivering to. I'm going to go ahead and, like, I guess back up to one of the docks. Makes sense, right? Better not. I'm just gonna park over here. Next to these trucks. Because that makes sense, right? Man, I make things difficult, don't I? Alright, guys. We are parked for the night. It sucks because I'm only about 30 minutes from the house. But I have to go on a different interstate. I didn't come by the house, otherwise I would have stopped at the house. Because sleeping in a truck this close to home is stupid. But hey, I'm going to do a post trip, get everything taken care of, get ready for bed because it is 11:30. So
yeah, I will see you guys in the morning.
All right, guys. So they told us that we couldn't get into the dock until after 10:30. It's now like 9:40 because the fire department was here doing the inspection. So it is a brand new building, as we figured out last night, because it wasn't on Google Earth. So, but there's a group of us over here at this this door, this big roll door here, vehicle door, whatever you call it. And he's like, yeah, we're gonna get into the first 4 docks, or these third set of docks here, or 4. That's the ones we're gonna unload in. I was here first, as you guys see clearly, and I was like, I was here first, does that matter? And he's like, I don't care. I've never seen so many damn grown men run to their trucks and hurry up to get. I'm just like, I'm not gonna do that. I'll wait, whatever. I'm not gonna race you guys to get to the dock to get unloaded, but that's exactly what happened. And as you can see, it's a cluster mess. So I'll just wait. Whatever. I'd like to go home, but I'm not gonna deal with that. Like that's so petty. Like they were like jogging, kind of walking as quick as they could without making it look like they're trying to hurry the hell up. Oh my gosh. But whatever, they're gonna fight, they're gonna argue. The bitch about who's getting in the dock first, who's doing this. I mean, it's kind of shitty, but what can you do, you know? I'll just wait. I'm not gonna argue, I'm not gonna fight anybody over a damn dock. I'll get unloaded, and then I'll go home, and these guys can continue on trucking down the road. Most of them are all company guys anyway, so it's all good. They gotta make that per mile run. But I'll once I get my chance to get in the dock, I'll catch up with you guys again. First place. ready, guys. They are they're working on it. It should be done here in just a few. They've been on it for a little bit. I talked to the gentleman next to me. He noticed my generator and kind of explained to him how all that works, and he's an owner operator as well, and he's like, that's a good idea. That's way cheaper than buying an APU. So chit chatted with him a little bit. I don't know, did y'all see the attitude with dude? Maybe I had an attitude as well, because he was one of the ones that took off running to get to the dock. It was kind of like irritated at him, but he's like doing the little thing right there. Like, well, you just go on. Don't freaking shake your hand at me and shoot me away. You go on. You should have turned the other way. I don't know why you backed up like that anyways. He came out of the dock I'm in, backed up over there, and then wanted to turn this way. Like, why didn't you just turn out of the dock? Like, anyways, like, I'm stupid. But it's a quality truck driver we got these days, right? Anywho, y'all be good. Let me know what you think of the music in this video. That is my father. At this current time, I do not know what song it will be. I believe I'm gonna do, I don't know. I'll put it up here somewhere, what the name of the song is. A link to his YouTube stuff will be in the description if you're interested in any music, something like that. So if you want Nomad.trucker products, the hat, all that good stuff, shirts, stickers, y'all know what to do. It's all in the description. Email, Instagram, hit us up, send us a message, let us know what you want, and my wonderful wife will get all that stuff taken care of for you. So y'all be good, stay safe out there. As soon as they get done here, I'm going home, and hopefully have a good weekend this weekend, right? Y'all do the same. Enjoy your home time, enjoy your family time. Let your family know you love them, guys. Thank a veteran, stand up for what you believe in. Y'all be good, stay safe out there. I'll see y'all in the next one.